I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your planner for the app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. And here can you looking for planner for the app, or just click here on search, then here add planner for the app, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You just click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, then come to storage list here. Just click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, you click on it here. Then it's going to show for you like this. Just search here for planner for the app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.